So the world is going through a digital transformation, as we all know, from employment to agriculture to transportation. Every aspect of the economy is affected. And those that are going to thrive in tomorrow's world are those that embrace technology as consumers, but also the people that are able to use technology with their jobs to create wealth, to create knowledge, create an enabling environment for others. Because of that, I'm very, very proud of what Dexter Pro is trying to do. They're trying to infuse technology into all aspects of the talent that we have in abundance in Nigeria. It's what's going to take us from where we are today with a large population that we have to where we need to be in the future. And I'm really going to be encouraging everybody that's listening to get on board, find out more about what it is that Dexter Pro is doing, and see what works for them, which of the programs make sense for them. So regardless of where you are in this technology space, you'll always find something that you don't know and a reason to get on board the Dexter Pro programs and find the right program for yourself and really grow your knowledge, grow your ability to contribute to the Nigerian economy. I look forward to seeing you there.